Hey there, Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. So firstly, sorry about the light and the shadowing. It's winter and it's horrible light. I don't have lights yet, so this is kind of the best I can do at the moment. So this is my kit for How to Kill a Kit with Style for August. I know I'm a bit late. I've been away for the weekend and busy with work last week, so this is why I'm only sharing it now. So I'm going to do something a bit different this month. Last month was Scrappy Christmas in July, and this month I want to scrapbook a mini album of our trip to Fiji, which was nearly a year ago. And what I have here is a mini album from Rosie Studio. So it's chipboard. It just comes like this, and it comes with different pieces. So we've got like a fold out. Yeah, there's no instructions. Oh, it's a bit loud. There's no instructions with it, so I'm going to have to put it together, work out how to do it myself. I'm sure I can do it. It's even got envelopes and pages to go in there. It's got these, like, I think you can fold them into little pockets. So it's going to be fun. We've got some like waterfall kind of pages, and I don't know what to do with this one, but I'm sure I'll work it out. It's got little perforated, well not perforated, yeah, perforated bits, and so yeah, so it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big pages, and then these extra pieces. And what I have pulled is a really old product from my stash, and I've done this intentionally to use it up. And I won Amy Tangerine and Dear Lizzie like paper pads, so they're single-sided. I won a couple at a crop, so I'll just take you through it. Yeah, I have pulled things that I think are going to work really well with a beachy holiday. I have used some of it already. I've done some layouts from that holiday actually, and I did the kids' passport photos, a couple of them with this as well. So this is really old Studio Calico in there as well from Lemon Lush, which, if anyone's interested, was in 2013. So we're talking really old here, but still really cool. So some cocoa vanilla as well. This would have been, I think, Bohemian Dreams. Yeah, beautiful. I put lots of cut aparts in because I thought they'd be interesting. Some really old pebbles from the Garden Party collection, 2013 as well. I love this one. I think that's Dear Lizzie or Amy Tangerine. Watermelon's perfect. Some floral. You'll notice that a lot of these have even been used. A piece of Close to My Heart that my friend gave me, which I've been keeping for so long and I really need to use it. 2016. This is Amy Tangerine. I can't remember the collection, sorry. More Amy Tangerine. Yeah, all from that paper pad. A really old piece of October Afternoon from the Girl Talk. I love those feathers. So that's 2013 as well. I think interesting, it's all mostly 2013. And this is a piece of Studio Calico Wonderlust. You remember that gorgeous collection. When's that? 2013. So funny. And then we just have, excuse me, bits and pieces of scraps that I'm not ready to get rid of. Oh, some stickers. Yeah, that's some, what's that? Millie and June by Fancy Pants. 2016. Probably my favourite Fancy Packs collection of all time. And yeah, just bits and pieces that I think will go well in the kit. So, in addition, I've got some cut apart labels from the Scrappery. And now these are by no means in any order. I've had all of this in a box. In fact, here's the little packaging that comes off the Rosie Studio album. Excuse me. Yeah, so we've got little stickers. We've got some Good Vibes crepe paper charms, some fancy free buttons. I'll show you the stamps in a sec. Some Dear Lizzie thickers, some Hazelcraft stickers, we've got a, sorry if you can hear the scratching, it's my cat. If it's not children interrupting, it is cats. Some sequins from the scrappery, some washi tape from the kit. It's the Good Vibes collection. A couple of glassine bags, this one with a little tag in it. Bohemian Dreams vellum pieces. Bohemian Dreams ephemera that's left. Some felt or some kind of fabric. Alphas. Some rhinestones by Kaiser Craft. Frame, I think I've got a couple of them. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use them. They might be too bulky. Some really old My Mind's Eye wood veneers that are cute. This came from a crepe paper. It's from crepe paper, but it was in a clip kit, and I never used it, and it's so gorgeous. I've almost been hoarding it. I think Paisley Memorandum, which I won some of that, but this one came from clip kits as well, I think. Some puffy stickers. I've got the Paige Evans ephemera, wood ephemera. It's not ephemera, it's in the wrong package. That's the wood veneer. That is some crepe paper. Some more gemstones. A few puffy stickers left behind from one of Paige's collections. Bohemian Dream. Enamel dots. I'm actually getting quite excited looking at all this. Freckled Form puffy stickers. I have got some of this Good Vibes ephemera, but it's all through the box that I've kept it in, so I haven't got it out. I've got some chipboard here for titles. Fancy Free ephemera. There's that other frame. Here's the journaling spots from Fancy Free. We have got that's some Cocoa Vanilla. I think it's Bohemian Dreams chipboard, and then I've got the whole the Oasis collection, which I struggled to use these when I had it, but it's perfect for this holiday that I'm doing. Some really old Bella Boulevard tiny text, and then I pulled some like mixed media type stuff. So we've got a stencil. Let me just find it in here. Haven't even taken them out, but a couple of the Nuvo drops which I've never used, so that's going to be interesting. Right, Good Vibes stamps, which are perfect little words, Bohemian Dream stamps, and then some that I won at a crop, or I bought actually from my friend. I don't know what that is, it could be Studio Calico. I thought it was perfect, and also of course, you know, kind of a tropical themed, sweet themed stamp. So that is my kit. The biggest issue I've got as I haven't edited and organised my photos. But what I thought was I would just cover that album with the paper that I want to use. I'm not going to think too hard about what photos, because I have white borders on my photos and I can work with that anyway and just make it work. Because it's all tropical, I think it's going to work really well. So that is my kit. I'm not sure how many videos I'll get done this month for you. I wanted to do more last time, but I don't think I did. I think I just did design team ones. So yeah, that is my plan for the month, and I'll be back at probably early September to show you how I got on. So thanks for watching.